Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today is January the 26th. It is 9:58 a.m. and yeah, I am about to get my day started. I've kind of already got it started. I got up, had to take Janae to school this morning or whatever. But you guys, I'm a little excited today because today I have a job interview. So I'm excited about that, but I don't want to get too excited because I've been going on interviews and they went with someone else. So I'm just excited that I finally heard from someone because it's been a minute. But yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. So you guys, I was pleasantly surprised that a lot of you actually liked my last vlog because when I was editing it, I was like, my life ain't all interesting. I don't think people really gonna want to watch this, but I got a lot of positive comments. A lot of you really did enjoy it. And for those of you who know me personally, you actually told me that you liked it and for me to keep the vlogs coming. So I'm giving you one today. So yeah, I need to get ready because my interview is at 12. I need to go in here and decide what I'm going to wear. I need to take my hair down and all of that. So I'm just going to kind of take you guys along with me on my day. So yeah, we're getting ready to get all of that started. All right, y'all. So please bear with me. I am recording on my iPhone. I've never recorded a video on my phone. So the quality, I don't know how the quality of this video is going to be. The last vlog, that other vlog that I did, I used my camera that I use when I record my YouTube videos. But that thing is huge and my arm was tired by the time, holding that thing up. Yeah, my arm was tired. So I don't have a little vlogging camera right now. I'll have to get one of those later if I decide to keep vlogging. So I figured I'd just use my iPhone and I hope and pray that this is not dark and that the quality is good. That'd be the only difference with this one. When I go to edit this video, if I see where the quality is not good, then the next time I do this, I just have to use my other camera. So yeah, I need to go over here now in this other room and find me something to wear. I've just kind of been sitting here watching YouTube videos on the TV, hair videos on the TV. So yeah, we need to go in the next room now, get something to wear. When we go in here, guys, y'all, please don't judge me, okay? So the other room is my studio / my closet, but I have not been filming any videos because I've had a whole bunch of pre-recorded videos that I filmed when I was out for those 2 months. So like the videos that you have been seeing are videos from the end of last year. I haven't recorded any videos for 2021 except for that vlog that y'all saw. That's the only video I have recorded. I've gotten lazy because I had all those pre-recorded videos and it just made me lazy. I hadn't even been in there filming. So the only time I go in that room basically is when I am going in there to get me something to wear or get my hair products. That's it. Janae is over there all the time playing and watching, her tablet videos or whatever. So yeah, I have so much clothes over there that I really don't have anywhere to put anything. So when I went and got my winter clothes out of storage, they're still in the bag, those bags where you can suck the air out with the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I had put my winter clothes in those kind of bags and put them in storage. Well, they're in the other room. They're just sitting in the bag because I don't have anywhere to put them. And my boots and all of that, they're still in the boxes. So yeah, clothes and shoes is just kind of everywhere over there. I'm gonna go over there and tackle it one day, but today's not that day. Today's not that day. So please don't judge me. But yeah, let's go on over here in the other room and find something to wear. All right, you guys, here it is. As I said, this is my winter stuff right here. And then these are clothes that I've washed. I just hadn't put up. It's just nowhere to put the stuff. But anyways, these are my other clothes. This is my rack with my clothes and my shoes. I've showed you all this before in another video, but I had more racks, but I did condense it down a little bit because I actually had 6 racks and my shoe thingy wasn't right there. So I did condense it down, and I put a whole bunch of clothes in storage. But you guys, I got clothes in between in bags, and it's ridiculous. I really do need to clean up in here, but yeah, we are having some warm weather right now. I don't know what's going on with this Georgia weather, but for yesterday it was like 77 degrees. Mind you, we were in the 50s and the low 60s, but yesterday was 77 degrees. Today I think it's supposed to be like 75, 76. So I don't have to put anything on as far as winter, but I'm still not going out here as though I'm dressed for the summer, because that's how people get sick. They dress with the weather. I don't do that, because tomorrow it's going to be like low 70, and then after that we're going to drop back down in the low 60s, in the 50s. So yeah, I just want to dress, you know, professional, business like, but not dress like I'm on summer vacation either. But I don't know what I want to wear. I don't feel like earning anything. I do know that much. Cause I'm being lazy. I ain't gonna lie, I'm being lazy. But I don't know. I guess I'm not gonna hold you guys right here while I try to figure out what I'm gonna wear. So let me figure out what I'm gonna wear. Well, you all, I have some disappointing news, but still good news. The lady from the company that I was supposed to be going to go interview with, she called me and told me that something has come up, so my interview has to be rescheduled now until Friday. So I'm not gonna have an interview today. It's been moved to Friday at 11 o'clock a.m. So yeah, right after I had already found me something to wear. As soon as I found something to wear, I get the phone call. But at least she didn't say my interview was canceled, so that's still a good thing. So I guess now, since I'm not going to an interview and I am in this junky room, I might as well go ahead and get it cleaned up. Might as well, right? I guess I'm going to work on that and try to get it a little bit neater, a little bit straightened. I can't do too much in here, like I said, because all of my clothes, my winter clothes that's down here on the floor, I don't have enough space on my racks to even hang them. I'm just going to try to straighten up a little bit, make it look a little neater in here, because I do need to come in here and record some videos. That's another thing I can do today, since I am not going to the interview. I need to go ahead and get some videos recorded. What I'm going to do is just show you all a full, I guess you could say, 360 of the room, show you how it is before and then how it's going to look after I get done with it. This is the before. As you can see, I got stuff all on the dresser, shoes on the floor. My daughter's project is in here. Like I said, that area right there, I can't really move that stuff. I don't have anywhere to put it, but I can make it look a little neater. Those clothes hang across my chair. I need to hang those up. I had put those shoe boxes up there so that I could put my camera up a little bit higher. Put that stuff back over there. Yeah, and just kind of straighten my racks up a little bit more, make it look a little neater. Her slime and stuff is in here, but yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Let's just go ahead and tackle this so I can get some videos filmed for today. Well, not for today, but get some videos filmed today, so I can have you guys some new content. right, you guys, so I am done finally getting this room straightened up. It's been needing it for a while, so since things didn't work out with the interview today, it was the perfect day for me to just go ahead and get it done. So what I need to do next is tackle my product stash. I'm gonna show you guys. I need to come over here and tackle this. Now that stuff on top is my mom's, but like I need to actually go through all of my products, and I got stuff down here on the floor. All this stuff right here. I actually need to do a video on that stuff, and then I need to, I need to go through all of this because I have a lot of products that's old and I need to get rid of them. So that may be a video that I filmed today as well. Like I said, I need to get a handful of videos recorded because I don't have any videos for 2021. I literally don't. So yeah, so I think now I'm just gonna go ahead and probably just get dressed, put me some clothes on, take this thing off my hair. Since I didn't get a chance to go to my interview or whatever, I'm gonna rock this twist out for this 2-strand twist out for the last day, and then I'm probably gonna wash my hair tomorrow whenever I take Janae to school. I just come home and wash my hair because it needs it. I didn't wash it last week, so I definitely need to get it washed this week, or else my scalp is gonna start itching like crazy. But yeah, let me go get dressed and put me some clothes on and start recording some YouTube videos. All right, y'all, so I am back, and this is my outfit for today. Nothing spectacular, nothing major, because all I'm doing is just gonna go pick Janae up from school, and then I had to swing by my sister's job a little bit later on. But yeah, all I did was put on this jumpsuit, this camo jumpsuit. I got this from Forever 21. I also did a haul, Forever 21 haul. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box below. But yeah, I just got this tube jumpsuit on, and then I just put this vest on over it, this jean vest over it, because it is, like I said, it is tube. So even though it's warm today, I still, just put this on for a little bit more coverage. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and then I'll just put my black Converses on with this. But yeah. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. This is a 6-day-old twist out on 2-week-old hair. And I say 2-week-old hair because I was supposed to wash my hair last week. I wash it every week, but I didn't wash it the beginning of last week. So that's when I should have washed it, and I didn't. I just re-wet it, re-moisturized it, and retwisted it up. So yeah, this is a 6-day-old twist out on 2-week-old hair. But I think it still looks good, to be honest, you guys. I think it looks really good. But I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair tomorrow after I take Janae to school in the morning. I'm just going to go ahead and wash it because it's starting to feel a little oily now from me oiling my scalp. And I've told y'all plenty of times, I do not like for my hair to feel oily. So yeah, it's time for me to go ahead and wash it now. But it's a little too late for me to go ahead and start filming videos because it'll be about time for me to leave to go get in the line. So I think I'll just start filming some videos when I get back with Janae. But yeah, so I'm just going to go pick Janae up from school, help her whatever homework she needs help with, and then I'll get started on recording some videos. You guys, it is actually the next day. It is actually Wednesday, January 27th, and I am sitting up here editing my vlog, and I realized that I never came back yesterday to end it for that day. So I'm back now. Even though I'm like a day late, it's like 5:44 in the afternoon. But anyways, I am so tired today, y'all. I took Janae to school this morning. As soon as I came home, I washed my hair, and I filmed 3 videos today while doing my hair. So that makes it take a little bit longer when you're trying to do your hair and film videos at the same time. But oh my gosh, I am so sleepy. But yeah, I just had to come back so that I could end it for that day. This is pretty much all I have for today, and I will see you all later.